Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Google Ads account for free and how you can use Keyword Planner. Having said that, let's jump into our tutorial. First, you need to create your account by pressing on Start Now and choosing your Gmail. So by doing this, you will have a problem in which it will ask you for payment information and it will ask you for your credit card information. So our first issue that we will address is how you can create your account for free without issuing any payment card info. So here it will ask you about your business name. Let's say it's called tutorial. Let's just insert any URL and press next. Now it will review. Then it will ask you to link any YouTube channel or anything if you want. You can skip this. It will also ask you to choose a goal for your campaign. We can also skip. Campaign type. Just skip all this information. Okay, let's just choose the campaign here, video campaign, and press next. And here we are. You can just press on Google Ads now. It will ask you information. Just insert any thing for now, any random information, in date. Okay. YouTube video. I will just skip ad creation. Bid, I will just place any amount. And I will press on create campaign. Now it's almost set. Here it will ask you about your payment method. So this where the problem lies. You don't want to add your payment information. So all what you need to do is to just, let's go back. And now you can just skip creating campaign. You can skip all. It will ask you leave campaign creation. Say yes, leave campaign creation. And here it will ask you about your currency, your phone number, and press submit. Now press next. Back, I don't want to test a connection. So after reaching this stage, type Google Ads again. Or type ads.google and select it here. You'll find that you are already signed in. Press on start now again. Select your account here. And voila, you are in. So basically, the way that you want, that you can, or that you are able to enter Google Ads without paying a penny or without inserting any payment information for you is by just skipping campaign creation. and this way you will be redirected to your account. And after doing this, if it forced you to choose a choice that you don't want to choose, like a payment or entering a channel or entering a website, all what you need to do is to just re-enter ads.google.com after you are done with the campaign creation step, and it will redirect you to your account without having to insert any data. So now let's go to Keyword Planner and check how it works. So now let's head to Tools, Planning, Keyword Planner. Just skip this. And here is how your keyword planner looks like. So if you want to search for any word you want, you can just press on Discover New Words here. You can write anything you want, like any topic you want to create a video on for your YouTube channel. For example, let's say, for example, oil and gas, and get results. Here it will show you all the results related to your word. So basically here you can see the average monthly searches, and you are also interested in the competition. So you need to select a topic which has a high average monthly searches but has low competition if you are a new project or a new YouTube channel, because this way you are picking an interesting topic, but there are no many channels talking about it. So you will be the only one or one of few channels which are talking on an interesting topic, and this way you will get views and interest from your audience. So basically you can compare between different words by writing more than a word. So if you are interested in workouts, you can write push workout, for example. And you can add another word like pull workout, leg workout, for example. So by pressing on Get Results, here you will find all the words that you have searched for. You will find that mostly people are interested in push workout and leg workout, and only few people are interested in the pull workout. So if you looked at the competition, you will find that all of them are low competition. So this shows you that if you want to create a YouTube video on one of these topics, it will be better to choose the push workout or the leg workout, and it will not be wise to choose the pull workout. And this is how you can use Keyword Planner to decide what you are going to talk about and what you are going to use to market for your channel and for your project. You can also see that the location I used is Egypt, so I can edit this. I can also use I can use any other country, or I can just choose to remove Egypt so that I can search for the whole world, and I can save for here, and now you will find insights worldwide. So worldwide you will find that people are interested more in the leg workout because it reached 1 million average monthly search. However, if you looked at the competition, you will find that all of them are low, so they are all favorable for us. So it's the best one to create a video or a topic for your YouTube channel in case you are targeting audience from all over the world, is to make a video on leg workout, because this is the topic which has the highest average monthly searches, and it also has low competition. So this is basically how you can install your free Google Ads account and how you can use the Keyword Planner. This brings us to the end of this tutorial today. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.